I took silicone mold and I molded a tire that I took out from a monster truck, and I took modeling paste and I modeled the tire with the mold. Here I'm showing you the tire, how it came out. I modeled with modeling paste chocolate, and I sketched out my monster truck, the dimension, side and width that I wanted. Then I prepared my board. I did a inch thick board height, and then this is where the cake is gonna be placed. I did 1 sheet cake, chocolate cake, and I cut it to the size that I wanted. Here I'm showing you the sizes that I cut for the monster truck cake, and then I continue to layer. That's white chocolate ganache. I layered the cakes. I cut in half and then layered and layered. Here I use a foam board with my sketch. I sketched it out and I carved along with the cardboard. And now I'm carving to get the shape of the monster truck. I cut like a 1/4 inch from the back of the truck. I cut an opening on the front for the grill and the hood. Here I show you how I cut in a diagonal for the hood. Now I'm preparing to ganache the cake. Ganached all over. Let set for a bit, and then I smooth with my hands. I think the hands are the best tools ever. Here you have the cake all smooth with the ganache. Then I started to add my fondant, the pieces of the hood. I started with black, the windows. I did both windows, and then I did the back window. Here I'm showing you the side window with the hood, and then the back window. And then I started to do the wheels, carved out with a circle cutter. I impressed, and then I cut out an opening for my tires. Here I covered it with fondant, the whole cake, and then I cut out the pieces for the window. I show you all the side of the monster truck so you can have a better view. Then I continue to add the tires. I glue them with melted chocolate, and I use those covers so it could stay in place while it dries. Then I continue to paint with silver luster dust. I did my tires. I added the octopus tentacles.